After Venezuela, after Greenland, again Donald Trump is here to make the world order. Again, Donald Trump is trying to control the entire world, but this time Donald Trump is not targeting any country. Donald Trump is targeting UN. Ji haan, United Nations, which was so much into force, which had so much power, which was a peace organization made after World War II, the biggest world war which this earth has seen in times. For that it was made, and it has been giving platform to so many developed and small countries out there to come and raise their voice. It was taking care of the war aids and all of that. But now Donald Trump has made this another organization and trying to control the entire thing. Donald Trump has made Gaza Peace Board. We all know about it. I have already discussed about it. But today, let me tell you why India should not be a part of this, or should India be the part of this, and how will this devastate or benefit India in terms of the entire thing. So basically, if you want to be a participant of Gaza Peace Board, then you have to take this into consideration, that you have to give, or should I say, submit the fee of $1 billion. That is a big amount. If you convert it into Indian rupees, it would be around 9,000 crore, and that is not a small amount. Now, keeping money aside, if you see in this entire Gaza Peace Board, all the members who are there. One is Marco Rubio, who is the member of. Who's also a Republican, and coming under he's a state chief out there and coming under Trump's own thing, and plus all the member who has participated into it, approximately 20 to 19 members have participated into this entire peace board, and all of them are close aides of Trump. Now, the countries who have given their approval for these participation of Gaza Peace Board is Azerbaijan, Pakistan. Yeah, exactly. Pakistan does not have money for its fooding, lodging, or anything like that, but they have money for Gaza Peace Board. Then we have many of the countries who comes under Middle East have also taken participation in it. Plus, many of the countries who have good access on oil have also taken participation in this entire Gaza Peace Board. But there is something very shocking about it. Things which are shocking is that in Gaza Peace Board, you won't see any Palestinian member out there. So basically, now they're talking about Gaza Peace Board, and there is no Palestinian out there. This is something. It's like we are making something for Uttar Pradesh, and none of the Uttar Pradesh people are there, and not even that. You don't even understand what they're going through and all of that. So basically, Donald Trump is trying to do all of that, regenerate every single thing, and that is how everybody is trapped into it. Now, coming on India. India should not be a part of it. There are many reasons, because it is a very, very tricky choice. If you are going to become the part of it, then India would be in a very pseudo position, because India has already given state recognition to Palestine, and not just that, India has also said that they have also good relation with Israel as well, and Israel is also the part of Gaza Peace Board. But if we get into this entire thing, there can be many issues now, because in this entire Gaza peace talk, there are no European countries. Europe countries have already backed off from this. Middle East and all those countries are there, but European Union is not there. And right now, India is signing good deals with European Union. We have recently signed a Mother of All deal, and then if we come up with this whole Gaza peace board, it will be a problem for us out here. The critiques and the leftist parties out there in India have already said that Donald Trump is trying to remake their order, and Indian government should speak against it and not be a part of it, because he's trying to control all of that. And there are many more chances that Donald Trump will only be the chairman of this peace board, and if he becomes the chairman of this peace board, he's going to drive everybody nuts. And not just that, he's going to make people do a lot of things. And plus, keeping in consideration how has been treating PM Narendra Modi and India, we have to be very cautious enough. And I will tell you this one thing: it is not a good idea for India to join it, because even Elon Musk, who was the biggest ally of Donald Trump, he was among those few members who made Donald Trump win the U.S. presidential election. That man is also saying that it is not a peace. It's like it's a thing, or should I say, it's a peace talk. So basically, he is also laughing on this entire organization which was formed by Donald Trump. So even he is not showing the whole confidence into it. So India going into it wouldn't be a nicer deal, and that is how we can connect with this whole thing, that it would go against India, and right now spending so much on such a deal wouldn't make any sense. We have always followed multipolarism, but if we go for this, we are basically going against European Union, and also we are at a verge where we are almost choosing a point. So it's a very tricky question, and let's just see what happens. What PM Narendra Modi decides, what India's external ministers decide. India is still on a position where they're seeking some time, and then they will give up their answers. Let's just see what happens. That's all for today. If you like such geopolitical scoop, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment Global Shark. Thank you so much. This was Shivi Chitranshi signing off.